Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about generating SEO articles using BingChat AI. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that BingChat can help you generate articles for free? When creating articles, it is important to get the attention of your readers. You have to make sure that the introduction and conclusion are attractive or attention-seeking. An article must have a headline, the body that has 2 or more paragraphs, then the conclusion. Now let's choose a topic for an article. Search for a topic related to psychology and a specific topic analyzing the link between working memory and attention. Submit this question asking if the chatbot can generate an introduction about this topic. Now you can see it generated an introduction that we can use for our article. Copy this content and paste it into our Word document. Now let's ask BingChat to create a paragraph about this specific topic. Then let's copy and paste the generated content here. Let's see how many words are generated. You can see the number of characters and words in this section. Copy and paste this into our Word document. Now let's ask the chatbot to generate a paragraph and talk about what is a working memory. This way, there will be a section of the article that shows the definition. Now let's copy and paste this into a character counter website so you can see how many characters and words that were generated. Now let's transfer this into our Word document. We need to expand this topic. So if a topic has different types that you can discuss about, then use it to ask the chatbot about the types of working memory. If you place your mouse over the content it generated, there are times that you can view the source of the content. You can click on the link so that you'll be redirected to the site where you can read more about this content. Write this question and add the codes for these keywords. Copy this result and paste it into our Word document. For the 2 types of working memory, we can expand this into multiple paragraphs as well. Now submit this question. Can you create a 1,000-word content about verbal working memory and include quotes? And this is the first type of working memory. You may notice it says that it cannot generate this 1,000-word content. So we can ask it again to talk about verbal working memory and add examples and add the codes for these keywords. Copy this result and paste it into our Word document. Below, it shows more examples that we can ask. Let's try this question. What are some ways to measure verbal working memory? This is a great addition to our content. So let's copy and paste this into our Word document. Here's another question that we can use. What are some activities that can help improve verbal working memory? Add this to our Word document as well. Now let's ask it to talk about the second type of working memory. Let's use this question, then copy and paste this into our Word document. Let's ask for an example to add, or we can use this question, what are some activities that can help improve visual spatial working memory? We can copy this, add this to our Word document as well. Now let's ask BingChat to talk about the problems with working memory and attitude. Then add it to our Word document as well. We can use this question about the ways to improve working memory and add it to our Word document. Now let's ask BingChat to look for articles about this topic. You can see that it's showing us multiple links to choose from. Now click on each link to learn about the content. Let's select a link and look for a section of the content that you want to include. Since we have no headlines yet, let's ask BingChat to look for headlines about this topic. Then choose one. Now let's ask this question. Can you create a conclusion for this topic? Now you can see that these are the links to the articles. We can select a link, copy a portion of the content, and ask BingChat to rewrite it. We can even ask the chatbot to change the conversation style of the previous message to a formal style, then add it to our Word document as well. Now here's the generated article on our Word document. You can view the headline or the title, the body, and the conclusion. In this section, you can see that we have compiled a total of 2,625 words for this article. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need help to make courses and training, we have a marketing app that can help you create your own online courses that actually get sales. Create amazing courses with Udemy-grade customer experience. It includes profit and conversion boosting plugins. It integrates a popular payment system. It even supports video courses on any platform. It has a rich interaction with built-in comments, reviews, and questions. Create awesome courses. It would be easy for you to set up, and your students will love the user-friendly experience. So try Course Funnels now. Go to the URL getcoursefunnels.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.